Hello user. In this video, we will guide you through the complete operation of your Panasonic Inverter AC remote. Let's start with the yellow on-off button. Press it to turn the AC on or off. Then press the mode button to select auto, cool, dry or fan mode. In auto mode, the AC automatically adjusts temperature for comfortable cooling. Cool mode is used for daily summer cooling. Dry mode is used during the rainy season or high humidity to reduce moisture. In fan mode, only the fan runs without cooling, helping air circulation with low power usage. Use the temperature up and down buttons to adjust temperature. The ideal temperature range is 24 degrees Celsius to 26 degrees Celsius for good cooling and energy saving. Press the fan speed button to select quiet, low, medium, high or auto airflow. Use the swing buttons to control airflow direction. You may set a fixed position or activate auto swing for uniform cooling. Press powerful for faster cooling. The AC temperature will automatically reduce by 2 degrees from the set temperature and the fan will run at high speed. Press and hold the powerful button for 5 seconds to activate Eco mode. For smart models, use the smart button to connect your AC to Wi-Fi and control it through the Panasonic MirAIe for remote operation and convenience. Press Converti 8 to set desired cooling capacity for reducing power consumption. At different steps, the AC operates at different cooling capacities. For example, at step 8, the AC runs at about 40% input power and cooling capacity. Press Clean to activate self-cleaning of the evaporator coil. The cleaning process takes about 13 to 15 minutes and helps maintain better air quality and performance. Press and hold the Clean button for 5 seconds to turn the indoor display on or off. Use Sleep mode for comfortable night cooling. During sleep mode, the set temperature increases by 1 degree every 3 hours and the AC turns off after 8 hours, helping save energy. To set automatic on or off timing, use the timer buttons. Each press increases the time by 10 minutes. Set the desired duration and wait 3 seconds to confirm. Press Cancel to remove the timer. Use Reset to restore default remote settings. Clock allows time setting on the remote display. Adjust the time using the temperature up and down buttons and press Clock again to confirm. Long press Clock Lock to lock or unlock the keypad and avoid accidental operation. The check button is used to identify error codes. This button is not required during normal operation. LB on the display indicates low battery. On select remote models, press the nanoe button to turn the nanoe air purification feature on or off for improved indoor air quality. You can also turn the display on or off using the display button. For more detailed instructions, please refer to the user manual. Thank you for watching.
Panasonic.